Hello everyone, Geek here, and today we are taking a closer look at this Aurora smart table lamp from Ecolor. It is Wi-Fi connected lamp and you can create DIY patterns and words to be displayed 360 degree. Also, it has a 16 million colors and a lot of different scenes available to try. And not to forget, it is allowed to control via smart voice assistants and smart app. Well, if you are looking for decent smart desk lamp, this is something to worth try. If you are fancy getting one, check the product link in the description down below. Let's start with the packaging and unboxing. You can see the actual picture of the desk lamp and some specifications are printed on the box for you to get an exact idea about what you are getting. In terms of the unboxing, you get a printed user guide, a power adapter and a smart light. Well, let's have a look at the design and the build quality. The gloss white finish lamp has a double layer lampshade. ABS shade has a frost base perfectly matched with any room conditions from the living room, study room or even to use in your bedroom as a bedside lamp. It weighs about 660 grams and measures about 8 by 4.3 by 4.3 inches. Due to the compact and handy size, you can keep it in any small space. This lamp takes DC 5V 2A power via provided Type-C adapter and you get 6 feet long cable with this. Having said that, you can find the Type-C input in the bottom part. Underneath the lamp, you can find the microphone which will help synchronize the light effects with the rhythm of music. On the top part, you can see the touch control panel. With this, you are able to control the power, adjust the brightness level, activate the music mode, enable the sleep mode or the timer, choose your favorite color option, and last select the white light mode. Touch controls are very responsive and easy to use. Let's power it up and see what this smart light has to offer. Well, setting up is very simple. After connecting with the power, all you have to do is just download the Ecolor Life smart app by scanning the QR code. The smart app is available in both iOS and Android app stores. Then make sure to follow the on-screen instructions to connect with the smart lamp with the app. It has to connect with Wi-Fi and it supports Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz. Also, you have to enable your phone Bluetooth for pairing and supports Bluetooth 5.0. After connecting with the power, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions to connect the smart lamp. Let's have a look at those features you get with the companion app. App navigation is pretty straightforward and you can see the power controller on the top right corner followed by My Color option. With this, you can save your favorite pattern or color option saved which can be accessed using the heart-shaped button on the device. The next one is the timer. With this, you can enable the light to gradually dim and turn it off by choosing the time, duration and adjust the brightness level. Also, you can be assigned a preferred day and time to turn it on or off. The next option on the top is the settings. With this, you can rename the device and access the Wi-Fi settings and device details. Furthermore, with this touch control slider, you can manually adjust the lamp brightness level. You get 6 main options to play with this Aurora lamp. The first option is the music mode. With this, thanks to a built-in microphone, the lamp shows clusters of different colors that fade in and out with the beat of ambient music. There are 4 music modes to set the light to sync with the music. Second option is the color option. With this, you can display different colors on different segments of the lamp. You can adjust up to 10 different phases using the app. Also, you can pick your chosen color from the camera app and lamp will sync and display the color accordingly. Furthermore, you can pick color from the color wheels from the app and customize the hue and saturation level. And last, you can choose the warm or cold white option between 2700 to 6000 Kelvin color temperature. Moving on to the third option, you get multiple, richer, colorful, dynamic and static scene presets. Each one has very unique and colorful effects. Well, let's go through with few scenes mode now. fourth option is drawing mode. With this you can create and display DIY patterns. You can customize the background color or the design color you want. Also, you can choose the way you want to display your DIY pattern. Basically, you can enable it to move clockwise or anti-clockwise, move up or downwards, or just to flash. Next option is the night light mode. Well, with this you can use this desk lamp as a bedside night light. Simply, you can adjust the brightness level or choose warm or cold white option. Also, you can use the timer option on the lamp, which will gradually dim the light and power it off itself. The last and the best option I found in the app is the message mode. Same as the drawing mode which we discussed earlier, you can display custom messages. You can choose your preferred font color or background, and even you can adjust the speed of the movement, and last you can control the brightness level of the background. This message will move around the lamp according to your selection. Moving on to the smart voice control, the Aurora lamp is compatible with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. I was able to connect with my Amazon Alexa easily. All you need to do is just download the Alexa skill for the lamp. Then you can control the colors and even brightness level remotely by the voice command. Alexa, turn on desk light.
Okay.
Alexa, change desk light to red.
Okay.
Alexa, change desk light to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, change desk light brightness to max.
Okay.
Alexa, change desk light brightness to minimum.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off desk light.
Okay.
Well, that is pretty much everything in related to the app control and options you get with this Ecolor Aurora lamp. This is a really interesting smart desk lamp, even though it looks like an ordinary table lamp from the outside. But what really is interesting is the fact that it has custom DIY messages and drawing options for your own design. At last, this lamp is very easy to control in both in-app or just using the physical buttons right from the lamp. So my final thoughts about this lamp is very happy with overall build quality and overall options available to try. Controls are very easy and straightforward, and setup is a no-brainer. More importantly, it has a good level of brightness levels with so many different colors and scenes modes available to play with. So obviously you can use this as a bedside lamp or mode lamp and even a reading lamp. For the price, I think this lamp is a fair deal. So with that all being said, feel free to let me know what do you think about this Ecolor Aurora table lamp in the comment section down below. If you like the content, please hit the like and do consider subscribing to see more videos like this. Well, see you again with another one, and stay safe.